Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. In today's video I'm going to talk about the B network. There is some special update from them and this is official update. And beside this also I'm going to talk about two authentic projects. Those can easily give us huge profit at the near future. So if you are B miners, you should watch this video until end. To join today's project, check video description. After you come to my video description, you will get the sign up link. As usual, the sign up link in my Telegram channel. So join my Telegram channel for the latest news and update of every particular project. Before going to start in the video, I want to request everyone subscribe to my channel and stay with me. As I said, beside the B network also I'm going to talk about two authentic projects. The first project is the Grass. Their session 2 is already live and we are at the epoch 19 at this moment. So those who still not join this Grass network, I highly recommend everyone join this Grass network as early as possible. This project is 100% authentic. Their token is listed in so many exchanges and recently it listed in the OKX as well. So here is the complete video tutorial. So before you join this particular project, you should watch this video tutorial and you will get the complete guidelines about this project. So watch that video, then try this platform. Just you need to let app run in the background. At the background, the Grass will be working like this. Grass is earning in the background. You no need to do anything, just let app run in the background, and for this you can make Grass token. So if you want, you can try this platform. The next project is the Vericoin mining. It's also a very strong project. I already made dedicated video on that as well, so kindly check that video and you will get the complete guidelines about this project. Then you should try this platform. Completely free mining. Maybe mining will be end very soon. KYC will be available for everyone as well. It's a very powerful and verified project. Direct native token mining is happening here and the security is very strict. So if you try multi-accounting, there's a high chance of getting caught. Along with mining, you can also earn by working as well. Already unofficially buy sell is happening there. Official buy sell is not start yet. It will be start very soon after mainnet. So I highly recommend everyone, after Grass, you should also try this Vericoin mining. It's an authentic and real project. It is a project of Korea. Now moving to the B network, as I said, there is a special official update, and one of the update, some people still think B network is just mining in May 2026. Actually, they are hinting it will be in very soon. Meanwhile, the wallet, DEX, AI interaction and ecosystem keep growing quietly. Are you one of these thinkers or the believers? And the B network official at this moment, as I said, there is a special update. Here is the update I'm talking about. Calling all pioneer believers, let us know you are here and a sweet surprise is on the way. Actually, B Network's latest post has created huge excitement in the community. Many users now believe that TGE, mainnet or exchange listing could be getting closer. In the post, B Network said a sweet surprise is on the way. However, they did not officially confirm the TGE mainnet launch and exchange listing. So for now, it is only a hint or teaser from the team. The surprise could be related to wallet update, new ecosystem features, BAI or Web3 expansion, or it can be mainnet preparation, community reward, etc. But remember, at the moment, B network is not officially tradable on major exchanges. No official listing date has been announced yet. But I can say the team is continuously improving KYC, wallet and ecosystem utilities. These are usually positive sign before a future mainnet or TGE launch. Community speculation is growing because B network supply is limited and utility is expanding. The project has a large user base. Development activity has increased recently. So overall, mainnet or TGE is possible in the near future and exchange listing may happen later. Actually, this is the complete details of this today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you again in next video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.